Creating a coming soon page in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create a coming soon page in Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, go to pages right here and then just click on manage pages. And then from here, what you want to do is to just simply add a page. And then from here, what you want to do is you can start creating your coming soon page as a blank page, or you can just choose some templates over here in the landing page. So they have different kinds of coming soon templates right here that you can choose. So feel free to choose on what kind of template you want to use. So for me, I'll use this one over here. I'll just click on add page. And then after that, this will now start to add our page. And then just click on done over here. And then there you go. You now have your coming soon page. So what you can also do here is customize your coming soon page. So for example, I'll just remove the we are over here and then just make it coming soon. I'll highlight the text and make the font size bigger a bit. And then there you go. Let's say I want to change the font as well. I want it to be this one over here, Oswald Medium, and then let's resize it a bit, and then there you go. And then let's center it a bit or move it up a bit, and then there you go. We now have our coming soon page. And then once you're done, make sure to click on save to save all the changes that you have made, and then there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a coming soon page in Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.